This is VO3, one of the most cinematic and mysterious AI video models ever made. But what if I told you, you can get the same power, the same stunning quality, without paying a single dollar? Give me just 3 minutes, and I'll show you 2 free alternatives to VO3 that can deliver results just as good, or maybe even better. And the best part? They're 100% free, unlimited, and completely legal. Trust me, the second one will blow your mind. Let's start with the first one, WAN 2.5. I've talked about WAN before, but they've just launched their new model and it's incredibly close to VO3 in realism. It can even generate natural voices directly inside the video. Just go to WAN.video and log in. You'll get 10 fast credits per day, but it's actually unlimited in relaxed mode. All you have to do is type your prompt, choose the video quality, the aspect ratio, and the duration, up to 10 seconds, then hit generate.
If anyone's still listening, we made it.
And look at that result. Pretty close to VO3, right? The only downside is that the relaxed mode can take a bit longer to render. But honestly, for a free model, it's worth the wait. Look at those videos I made.
No pain, no gain.
Strength is not in the muscle. It's in the mind that never gives up.
WAN 2.5 is open source, and it also lets you turn images into videos. Just upload your photo, add a short prompt, and you'll get a realistic motion clip that looks amazing.
Okay, maybe too much heat, but hey, that's how you know it's cooked.
Now, and let's move to the second one, Sora 2. This one is viral right now, and for a good reason. It's incredible for creating realistic short videos. And yes, you can use it completely free. No referral code, no watermark. Here's how. Go to this website, you'll find it in the description. Log in and choose the Sora free model. Then write your prompt and generate. I tried a monkey playing video games, and the result looked super clean and detailed. Then I tried a young man pressing a doorbell and running away laughing.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Look guys, how good is that? Can you imagine? Now you can get this level of quality and realism totally free. Let me show you how to remove the watermark. Just drop it into this Unwatermark tool, draw a box over the logo, and it's gone. Here's the final result.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Flawless. Here's another video I made.
Ready, buddy? Here comes the serve. Nice hit. My turn. Up you go. Yes, we're a team.
Sora also supports image to video generation, and it looks amazing. Perfect for short, funny, viral clips. The only limitation that it doesn't generate long-form video yet, only shorts. You'll find all the links in the description if you want to try them yourself. I hope this quick video helped you discover some new and powerful free tools. WAN 2.5 and Sora 2 are right now 2 of the best VO3 alternatives you can use for zero cost. And by the way, a lot of you have been asking about my AI avatar. I'm working on a full free course showing you exactly how I created mine, step by step. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.